he got both of us. I don't know how he procced it. He got it off of something else. Like somebody killed somebody else first.
I'm on a 5-time streak in free-for-all? What?
Oh, there's a guy
I
underneath.
saw that
Watch out.
drawing. Man, that guy wanted me so fucking bad.
Ooh.
I spawned into a wave splitter. That's
Sounds about
interesting.
right.
Oh.
Oh. So long, little sloppy. You got a little too sloppy. Yeah, I said
Still
it.
up.
No.
Take me out, dude. I'm anti-meta.
Mm.
Enjoy your wave splitter. I still capped your zone. And then tried and got him with the nade. I appreciate that.
What?
Okay. The mighty Zoink killed me with duality.
He's dead.
Stupid ass wave
Get him,
splitter.
Frank.
Oh, you're gonna shout it at me? You're cute.
I need 10 sniper kills.
Oh, you're still working on your bounties? Damn.
I do one character every time banner comes out.
Oh.
That's
I knocked all 3 out in one night.
it. Yeah, fuck that.
My eyes were bleeding by the end of it.
I don't even want to play banner.
Nicely done,
Do this
everybody.
5 minutes remaining.
shit. Ooh. Trash delete.
No.
Trash. Alright, now we need to snipe. Yeah, sure I had a decent sniper somewhere.
Oh, Jesus. No, 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 no.
Yes.
This might be my last one. I mean, gotta go over there and help Lucy with her fucking AC.
Do this trap.
Have any of you owned a Husqvarna power washer?
Yes, I
ordered
have.
one. I ordered one from Costco tonight. It was 149 bucks after a $40 instant rebate. We needed a new power washer, so I wasn't sure. I mean, we have other Husqvarna tools, so like, those are good.
Keep it up, and victory is yours.
Huh?
Violet Gap.
Uh-oh. About a third party, this is a child. Oh, never mind.
After this game, I gotta get off.
Oh, yeah, same.
3 minutes left.
Titanium Toenail is this man's name. I appreciate his alliteration. But that's it.
I need 2 more kills, then I win. This guy's still stuck at 16 kills.
Get fucked.
No, break. Okay, I got this in the bag. I only need one more kill. Oof. I just need one.
Coming to you, Frank. Hello there. Get him, oh no! He almost triple capped him again.
Oh, finally.
Call that a win? I
I had to
Thank
reload. Fuck.
Whew.
Your legend
I'm
is
upset.
being forged in fire, Guardian.
Alright. Sorry,
Kids.
Dang.
I'm gonna triple cap him here.
Me and that ha 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 guy.
I
got
appreciate a quick mercy win.